The mighty swivel, small but essential. We've all been there. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, the frustration of losing a big catch is universal. You're battling a monster fish. The line sings, then snap. It's heartbreaking. The excitement turns into disappointment in a split second. Often the culprit is line twist. This seemingly small issue can cause major headaches, leading to lost fish and wasted time. That's where a good swivel comes in. This tiny piece of equipment can make a world of difference in your fishing experience. This tiny tool might seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role. It acts as a barrier against line twist, ensuring your line stays straight and strong. It prevents line twist, reduces tangles, and ultimately helps you land that trophy fish. Consider the joy of spinning in a huge one without a hitch. But what if you could make your own? Crafting your own fishing gear can be incredibly rewarding and give you a deeper connection to the fishing sport. Even better, what if you could craft a super strong swivel, one that could handle a 60-kilogram beast? When you take control of a situation, the options are limitless. Well, grab your tools, because we're about to discover into the world of DIY fishing gear. This journey will not only enhance your skills, but also give you a sense of accomplishment. Get ready to transform an ordinary bicycle wheel spoke into a powerful fishing swivel. This simple yet effective project will change the way you fish. This isn't just about saving money, it's about creating something unique and tailored to your needs. Store-bought gear is great, but nothing beats the personal touch of DIY. It is about the thrill of doing something using each of your two hands. The pride you feel when you use gear you've made yourself is unmatched. It's about knowing you have a piece of equipment you can trust no matter what lurks beneath the surface. With your DIY swivel, you'll be ready for any challenge the waters throw at you. Gearing up tools of the trade. Before we begin, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you won't need a fancy workshop. You likely have most of these items lying around the house. A bicycle wheel spoke. Choose a sturdy one. Stainless steel is best. A vise. This will hold the spoke steady while you work. Pliers. 2 pairs will be helpful, one for gripping and one with a good cutting edge. A type of metal file used for grinding off rough edges. A tape measure. Precision is key for a balanced swivel, that's it. Consider I assured you it would be straightforward. Now let's move on to transforming that spoke. Spoke surgery, prepping for action. Take your spoke and examine it. See that bend at the end? That's where we'll focus our attention. But for 60-kilogram beast, we do not need the spoke-treaded straight end and the end bend. Swivel 60-kilogram sea beast. Use your pliers to carefully snip off the threaded end of the spoke and the bend. Now you have a straight piece of spoke and no small bent section. Discard the treaded straight and bend piece. We'll be working by creating ring shop, which can hold heavy big fish. This ring portion will form the body of our swivel. Take your metal file and smooth out the cut end of the bent spoke. We don't want any sharp edges that could weaken our swivel or damage our fishing line. Remember, a smooth finish is a strong finish. Loop the loop, shaping your swivel. Finally comes the exciting portion, shaping our swivel's loops. Clamp the ring portion of the spoke securely in your vise. Leave about ½ inch on each spoke outside the vice's jaws. Using your pliers, carefully bend and circle bend of 2-wire 1-on-1, the exposed spoke end to form a ring hole. This doesn't need to be flawless right now. Refine the shape later. Continue this procedure on the opposite edge of the curved spoke. You should now have 2 loops, one on each end of the ring circle portion. These loops will serve as attachment points for your fishing line. And there you have it, a custom-made heavy-duty fishing swivel, ready to enhance your fishing experience. Happy fishing. Twist and shout, creating the swivel action. This is where we bring our project to life. Here's where the magic happens. The swivel action is crucial for a successful fishing experience. With your pliers, grip the bent portion of the spoke, just below one of the loops. Make sure you have a firm hold to ensure precision. Twist the spoke several times. This step is essential as it forms the core of the swivel mechanism. This twisting action creates the swivel mechanism, allowing your fishing line to rotate freely and preventing dreaded line twist. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your fishing gear. The number of twists will determine the swivel's sensitivity. Count your twists carefully to achieve the desired effect. More twists mean a more sensitive swivel, ideal for lighter lines and finesse fishing. This is perfect for those delicate catches where precision is key. Fewer twists result in a more robust swivel, suitable for heavier lines and battling larger fish. This ensures your gear can handle the strain of a big catch. Remember, it's better to start with fewer twists and test as you go. This way, you can fine-tune the swivel to match your specific fishing needs. You can always add more twists later, but you can't undo them. Take your time and adjust gradually to perfect your swivel. And there you have it, a custom-made fishing swivel, ready to enhance your fishing experience. Happy fishing! Section 6. Smooth operator refining your creation. Examine your swivel. Proud, aren't you? But before you tie it on your line, we need to ensure it's smooth and snag-free. Run your fingers along the swivel, checking for any rough edges or burrs. Use your metal file to smooth out any imperfections. Pay attention to the loops, as these are the areas most prone to snagging your fishing line. Remember, a well-finished swivel not only functions better, but also lasts longer. Take your time and ensure every surface is smooth and free of sharp edges. Stress test. Putting your swivel to the test. You've built it, now let's test it. Before you trust your DIY swivel with a prized catch, it's crucial to check its strength. Attach your swivel to a secure point and give it a good pull. Gradually increase the pressure until you're confident in its ability to withstand the weight of a hefty fish. If your swivel holds up, congratulations. You've successfully crafted a robust piece of fishing equipment. If not, don't despair. Examine the swivel for any weak points, adjust your technique, and try again. Remember, practice makes perfect. Built to last, the benefits of DIY. Your DIY swivel isn't just strong, it's a testament to your resourcefulness. Crafting your own fishing gear is more than just a hobby. It's a journey of self-reliance and creativity. Each swivel you make is a reflection of your skills and dedication. It represents the satisfaction of creating something valuable from simple materials. The process of making natural assets throughout usable gear is immensely satisfying. You start with basic components, and through your effort and ingenuity, you create something that performs just as well, if not better, than store-bought alternatives. And let's not forget the cost savings. Making your own equipment can considerably lower your costs. Commercially made swivels can be pricey, especially the high-strength ones. By making your own, you avoid the markup and get exactly what you need without breaking the bank. But the benefits go beyond economics. The act of creating your own gear fosters a deeper connection to the sport. When you craft your own fishing gear, you gain a deeper understanding of how it works. You learn the intricacies of each component and how they interact. This knowledge is invaluable when you're out on the water. You recognize the functionality and significance of all of them. This hands-on experience enhances your problem-solving skills, making you a more adept angler. This newfound knowledge translates into confidence on the water. Knowing that you've built your gear from scratch gives you a sense of pride and assurance. You're no longer just fishing, you're engaged in a battle of wits with your quarry, armed with tools you've crafted with your own two hands. This personal touch adds a new dimension to your fishing experience, making each catch more meaningful and memorable. The satisfaction of landing a fish with gear you've made yourself is unparalleled, turning every fishing trip into a testament to your skill and perseverance. Beyond the bite, other uses for your swivel. The applications of a sturdy swivel extend far beyond just fishing. Need to secure a heavy load? A DIY swivel can handle the pressure. Hanging a bird feeder? A swivel will prevent tangles and keep those feathered friends happy. Think outside the tackle box. The skills you've learned in crafting a fishing swivel can be applied to countless other projects around the house, in the garage, or even in the great outdoors. The only restricting factor is what you can imagine. So embrace your inner MacGyver and put those newly acquired swivel-making skills to good use. Unleash your inner maker crafting confidence. Crafting a DIY fishing swivel isn't just about creating a piece of equipment, it's about building confidence. It's about proving to yourself that you can tackle new challenges at that point with both your hands. Create an idea beneficial and efficient. The idea of success goes beyond the place where we work. Creating yourself some equipment can significantly reduce your expenses, inspiring you to try new things, solve problems creatively, and embrace the DIY spirit. We hope you go ahead and dive into the exciting world of DIY. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Cast away. Embrace the DIY spirit. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to crafting your own 60-kilogram strength fishing swivel from a simple bicycle wheel spoke. It's a project that's as rewarding as it is practical, allowing you to combine your love of fishing with the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. So gather your tools, grab a spoke, and get crafting. You'll be amazed at the sense of accomplishment that comes from landing a trophy fish on a swivel you made yourself. And remember, it's not just about the fish you catch, but the journey along the way. Tight lines and happy crafting.